Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I really count on the little lights that are underneath my microwave over my stove to help me see what I'm cooking. So when they go out, this is what I reach for. This is a GE specialty LED. It's an E17 base, and these are specifically for those over the range microwaves. And I really like these because they are high quality light, they are easy to install, and they do an excellent job at letting me see what I'm cooking. So really, installation takes like maybe 30 seconds. It's just like installing any other light bulb. You just open the cover, screw this one in, close it up, and you're good to go. So this lasts about 3 years if it is used at about 8 hours per day at 120 volts. So it's really nice to be able to have something that you can install once and not have to worry about it for quite a while. So if you're looking for a high quality light that's going to last a long time and it's going to help you see what you're cooking, then I would definitely check out this light from GE. I've been really happy with it, and that's my point of view.